Hey everybody, today I want to teach you how you can earn up to $1,000 every month on Instagram. But here's the crazy thing. It doesn't require you to post endlessly on your feed. It doesn't require you to have a huge following or a big brand. And it doesn't even require you to run advertising on Instagram's platform. What I'm going to teach you is so simple that you might even be a bit skeptical that it could even work. But the truth is, unlike other Instagram methods that just spam comments and links, you're going to be leading with value and helping provide helpful content for people. Let me show you what I mean. First, let's go over what you'll be promoting. The program that I'm recommending you promote is a software company called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels allows you to quickly and easily build a sales funnel that generates leads and sales safely. No, this is not like a website that has tons of pages, loads of buttons, and requires advanced coding knowledge just to make it look presentable. A sales funnel is a streamlined approach to getting people onto your email list and encouraging them to purchase something. Now, you may be wondering, why do so many people sign up and purchase ClickFunnels month after month? The reason is every single business, without exception, relies on a sales funnel to sell or promote their products. It doesn't matter if you're selling shoes, weight loss supplements, personal coaching, or generating leads for a local plumber. Every business needs a way to generate leads, appointments, and sales if they want to succeed online. All I'm doing is simply coming in, showing them what I believe to be the best sales funnel software in the world. Okay, so now you know what to promote, why to promote it. The last question is where? One of the fastest ways to find new online business that hasn't quite figured out their sales funnel process yet is Instagram. There are so many entrepreneurs on Instagram in the health space, stock trading space, pet space, you name it. They're doing a great job on Instagram, but have no idea how to turn all of their attention into leads and sales. So listen, this is what you need to do. First, you need to search hashtags related to the niche you're going after. Maybe you're going after someone in the fitness space. So you search hashtag fitness or bodybuilding. Next step, find someone who's getting the modest amount of attention on their page, but their link in bio takes them to their website, or they don't have any link to a bio at all. Thirdly, you're going to ask them if they'd be interested in turning all of their likes and followers into leads and sales for their business, and that you'd be willing to help them out for free. Now, a few things can happen here. One, they could ignore you, which is fine. Two, they could say no. Or three, they could respond that they're interested in hearing more. If they're interested, all you need to do is use one of ClickFunnels templates to build a simple landing page for them. Use their name, their picture from their Instagram, and remember, ClickFunnels doesn't require any coding. That makes this super simple. Then you share this funnel with them, and if they want to continue using it, then they'll sign up for a ClickFunnels account and you'll get the commission. Pretty cool, right? You technically didn't sell anything. You simply told them about a great way to improve their business, gave them a free sample, and let ClickFunnels do the rest. Now, if you're familiar with affiliate marketing and ClickFunnels, this probably makes a lot of sense to you, and you're ready to try this out, and I hope you do. But if you're just getting started, and you might be a little bit lost, you might be thinking, okay, how do I actually make these pages? What niche or market is best to go for in making money online fast? And what other ways are there besides Instagram to make money from affiliate marketing? If you find yourself asking these questions, I want you to do yourself a favor and click on the link below. I'm sharing with you a full stack business out-of-the-box training that will allow you to literally copy and paste Anthony Morrison's 50 million digital empire and use it as your own, even if you don't have anything to sell. I'm going to share with you the products I promote, the funnels I use, the emails, the ads, everything. That way, if you're a complete beginner, or maybe you've tried other methods, but they just haven't worked, you're going to get everything you need to start making money online. Now, if you stuck around this far, go ahead and click on the link in the description. And as always, thanks for tuning in. I'll look forward to seeing you next time.